Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Forex.com. Review my usage experience. Forex.com Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for researching and reviewing the Forex.com trading platform. It's aimed at beginner and intermediate Forex traders looking to learn about the platform's features and assess its suitability before committing. Key features likely include user reviews, ratings, comparisons to competitors, and possibly educational resources. Their website provides details on various aspects of Forex.com, including account types, trading tools, and educational materials. They highlight competitive pricing and a user-friendly interface. The site emphasizes ease of use for both beginners and experienced traders. Availability is global, though specific features might vary depending on location. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Forex.com. Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The website is well organized and easy to navigate. I quickly found several reviews comparing Forex.com to other brokers like Oanda and Interactive Brokers. I was particularly impressed by the detailed breakdown of fees and commissions. The search function worked flawlessly, allowing me to pinpoint specific aspects of the platform, like the mobile app functionalities and the charting tools. I found the user reviews helpful in understanding the overall user experience. The performance of the website itself was excellent. It loaded quickly and didn't experience any crashes. I had a quick question about a specific review and their FAQ section answered it completely. One minor drawback was the lack of video reviews. I would have appreciated seeing the platform in action. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Forex.com. Review My Usage Experience. It's a valuable resource for anyone considering Forex.com and provided me with enough information to make an informed decision. That's my overview of Forex.com. Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.